guys, and welcome to my video. Still called Raining Man. First, we must admire Dallas, revive my homie, and well, I will just tell her I don't need her for now.
Have fun, mate.
So now it will rain man. Hallelujah! After all this time, finally raining man. And not every man stands naked man. And yeah, the miracle of God has been completed. Anyway, thanks for watching my first video, my weird short video. You can like if you liked it, you can subscribe if you liked it, and if you want to watch other of my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, goodbye brave people.